Welcome one and all. We have perfect blue skies and quite a contest ahead of us. This really is a feel-good football match. I'm Peter Drury and this is Jim Beglin.
Hi Peter, it's great to be here.
Well, there is here a great sense of expectation as to universal contentment. The Emirates embraces Arsenal once more. Things have got underway here pretty promptly. Out towards the flank. And it's Cristiano Ronaldo. And here's Saka. Saka will not want to lose out here, not against this opponent. Can he finish? It's off target and by quite a way.
Incredible. He had all the time in the world to pick his spot as well.
Saka. Jim, who do you reckon is pivotal?
Well, Peter, this team has a great engine room in the shape of this guy, Tchouaméni. The Frenchman being a robust, relentless pressing machine who also excels in ball retention and recycling. I noticed he's surprisingly good at progressing play when on the ball too. Keep watching him.
Yeah, I mean... Saka! Goal! Arsenal! Arsenal take the lead. An opportunist strike, but he'll take it. He will own it.
Well, I'm sat here, Peter, thinking that the keeper might have done a little better then. Maybe his positioning wasn't great, but then again, I don't think he had a wonderful view of it.
Saka is in third place in the scoring charts. Arsenal have taken the lead.
Well, that gives them the privilege to control the tempo of the game. It's up to them to manage it from here now.
Now it's Tchouaméni. And here's Saka. And the shot! And he hits the net! And they're at it again in double quick time! You give him an inch and he'll take a mile. Such immaculate precision.
The keeper deserves some sympathy there. He may not have seen that until too late.
Number 10.
So that's two now without reply.
Well, they're very much the better team at the moment, Peter, and no doubt will be looking to cause even more damage here.
Now it's Cristiano Ronaldo. And that could set him on his way. Oh, well played, well sorted out. He's on it, can he get away? Gets into some space. It's out for a goal kick. Rice. Camavinga. Saka. Neither of these two want to come off. Takes a shot! Euphoria, utopia, and they are cavorting again in a trice, and they are soaring. Truly superb, a goal of such supreme quality, composure, and class.
Yeah, great movement and great use of space to get on the end of the pass, and that pretty much did it.
3-0 and things are starting to look awfully cosy. Just 5 minutes left until the break. Now it's Saka, caresses it through. Cristiano Ronaldo.
If they want to counter, they could do with more speed.
2 added minutes has been.
Can he get on the end of this? Oh, that's fabulous. Good challenge, excellent challenge. And we hit half-time. Well, I don't think many people saw this coming ahead of kick-off.
Well, they're in a great position, Peter, so why stop now? I would say keep going, keep at it. They've done everything right so far, so they'll want to keep things that way.
Arsenal are cruising it at half-time, 3-0 ahead. And hostilities have resumed at the start of the second half. So both teams emerge. The charge, surely! Well, that is remarkable.
Oh, it's a brilliant effort, you have to say that. He clearly wanted to do it in style.
Havertz. Now it's Saka. And this is Ronaldo. And he was quick to react. Lovely, now then. Can he finish? It's there! Such thrill, such noise, and how this matters! And he stuck it away as if laser-guided.
Well, Peter, I think the keeper knew straight away he was never going to get to it.
Number 7, Chouameni.
It's become a case of men against boys.
Chouameni.
That dugout has had some relief, at least, but now the harder work starts. They've got to push for more.
Closing in on goal. Picked out brilliantly. Ronaldo finds himself offside.
The attendance for this
Saka.
match was 62,005.
Saka going face-to-face with his great rival. And here's Cristiano Ronaldo. It's Cristiano Ronaldo! And yes, it's there! And this is getting ridiculous. Borderline crazy.
Look, all they want to hear right now is the final whistle. They've been humiliated.
After 63 minutes is number 11, Cristiano Ronaldo.
Arsenal are having a ball here.
This is wonderful front-footed football. The manager will be absolutely thrilled to see his team clicking in every department.
He's a sharp little ball here. It's a goal kick. Lewis Skelly. Cristiano Ronaldo looking to shake off some unwanted attention.
Well, to be fair to that defence, it's nigh on impossible to cater for such astute movement, but at least, eventually, they've made the right call.
Now it's Saka. Steaming on goalwards. There's the shot! He scored! And the chasm continues to widen. A brutal statement that underpins where these teams are at.
Some of those players look totally lost out there now, Peter, and you can't blame them.
Is number 10.
And with that, the hat-trick is complete.
And the frightening thing is, Peter, this isn't even a surprise. He thrives in these situations. Well, it's been an absolutely fabulous spell for them, and they're starting to look unstoppable. There could be more on the way.
Now it's Saka. Doherty gets over and intercepts. Wolverhampton are looking to break at pace. Some resolute defending there. Havertz. And it's Lewis Skelly. Now it's Saka. And here's Saka. Chance for a shot! And he steered it beyond the post.
Substitution in progress.
So here comes the substitution. Now it's Fabio Silva. Now it's Hwang Hee-chan. He is through here. Hwang Hee-chan. Some real chance! Really well taken goal. The lightness of step, the sharpness of movement, the certainty of finish.
I'm not making any apologies, but I was willing him to supply the finish, and he came up trumps.
After 90 minutes.
Well, it's an inspired substitution. Terrific move by the boss.
That's just as the manager would have seen it, an impact sub.
Well, they have a goal, but it is surely too much to hope for a comeback. Havertz. Now it's Cristiano Ronaldo. And here's Saka. Cristiano Ronaldo. And that will be the final act. Well, this is a side which is purring, picture perfect, a win they will relish, having pulverised what was put in front of them. It was a pulsating performance. Saka collecting the match ball, and it is
They were
his.
sent packing. Thank you,
So what do you
everyone,
take
for your
away from
support
it all,
today.
Jim?
You were
Well, the
more
look
than
on the
just our
manager's
top
face
men.
says it all. He knows he set his attack up perfectly, and the players carried out his instructions to the letter, it would seem. Everything working very nicely.
I'll make you feel like magic.